Hey guys, out here giving you updated tour. Ah, they got landscaping going in, looks like. Looks great. Flattening things out. Nice. Excuse me, how down? Filling in the dirt in this area. It was pouring last night, but they're getting it all ready. Looks awesome. Well, I love this stones. Got the columns in now. Paint those up. Let's see what else we got. Very cool, very cool. Ah, trim work. Beautiful. Great progress. I love the high wainscot trim. More trim work along the base here. Nice. Hear them working away. Get your hardwoods in. Nice. Good choice, good choice. Love these big handles. Love this tile. Great. Nice trim work. Coming along. See what I do before they paint it. Right? Another bathroom. Oh, pedestal sink. Ah, I love the gold. Great choice. That's great. Working away. Mantle going in. Very nice. That Carrera marble, beautiful. We got some appliances. Hey, how you doing? My client's house, so just doing a video for him. Backsplash looks awesome. Just great job. Countertops. Wow, this came out great. Just check the pantry. Love the trim. Oh, sink is in. Oh, that's a faucet. Gorgeous. Getting excited yet? Beautiful. Love this room. All the windows. It's kind of muddy, so I'll just kind of step out. Look how beautiful this backyard is going to be. Flat. Got the to know your neighbors. That looks like a nice fence. Maybe you can attach it to that one. It's great. Gorgeous. Flattening it all out. That kitchen though, amazing. Amazing. It's great. Oh, got the built-in going in over here. Nice. Looks like we got appliances. I gotta see, I don't think I saw the dishwasher, but got some sinks in, got some double ovens, got that farmer sink, which I adore. So I could probably bring it in the mirror for, maybe that's the master. Trim work looks great, hardwoods. So exciting. Master bedroom. Oh wow, love the trim. Beautiful. It's gonna be such an amazing house. Oh my God. Beautiful choice, beautiful choice. Here's what we put in our bathroom. Looks amazing. Bright, open, airy, transom window. Beautiful, beautiful choices. Love how you did the gold accent in the secondary bathroom. The shower though, can we talk about this shower? Beautiful. Love the accent down there. Glass. Toilet closet. Key to have the windows. Electricity saver. And the closet. I think I captured everything so far. Let's just take a moment of silence for that. Killer, 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 killer bathroom. All right, guys, hope you're getting excited. Amazing progress, and it looks like we may have some appliances on. Just swing by to see about that dishwasher. Just waiting on with a microwave maybe there. Is that where that goes? Let's see. Yep, just waiting on the dishwasher and microwave, I think. Looks great. Hope you're as excited as I am. Oh, looks like it's about to start raining. So, step out here just to give you the covered porch coming together. Gosh, this is just an amazing, amazing, amazing house. And of course, they'll be getting all, filling this in with the dirt, landscaping. That's the latest. Hope you guys are doing well. Stay safe in your travels pretty soon, couple weeks away. Looks great. Sod going in. The house across the street. Yep, grass going in. Exciting. All right, guys. Hope you're doing well. Stay safe, safe travels, and we'll see you in a little bit.